Hello and welcome to this short video on how to navigate Google Classroom. In this video, we're specifically going to be looking at Google Classroom assignments and how to check what you are submitting. So first, let's start off by finding the assignment. We can do that either here in the stream, where assignments are posted chronologically with newest assignments first and older assignments further down the page, or in the Classwork tab, where they might be organized by specific topic. Today we're going to look at this example assignment through the attached worksheet. We can click on it to open it up, see some details, and click the View Instructions button to see the assignment page itself. Now on this assignment page we have a bunch of different information. We have the title of the assignment, how much points it's worth. We'll have any instructions, specific instructions written by the teacher, place for writing comments either to the whole class or privately to the teacher. And then over here in the Your Work section, you'll see any files ready-made for you by your teacher. For example, here we have a file pre-made by the teacher for me to fill out. Or we have a button here to add or create our own file. We can click on that and choose to add a file from our Google Drive, add a link to another website, upload a file that's downloaded onto our computer, or optionally to create a new file in Google Docs, a new Google Slides, a new Google Sheets, or a new Google Drawings, all from right here within the Google Classroom assignment. In this case here, we're going to work on, the assignment says to work on this, to do this worksheet. So I'm going to just click on it, and it opens right up here on my computer. As you can see, it says draw a picture, fill in information. I'm just really quick, I'm going to toss in a picture here. I'm going to put this picture in just to have something real quick to show us. Now one thing you can see is we do have a little preview picture here of the assignment. And if I reload this page, press this reload button, it looks like an arrow that goes around in a circle. I get an updated preview of that picture. Now you can see that preview contains that picture that I put into the document, into the assignment. So even looking at this preview, I can see that this picture has been changed and therefore contains information. Versus if I included just a blank document, if I just keep a blank document here, we see this preview picture as blank, even if I reload the page, because there's nothing in that file. So I turn it in, that's it. Click turn in, it will ask you to confirm. Make sure that you're submitting 2 attachments or however many you're turning in. Now once you turn in, you no longer have permission to change those files until your teacher returns it to you, unless you unsubmit the assignment. So that turn in button turns into an unsubmit button. And if you need to be able to change that file again, say because you turned in a blank document by mistake, you need to unsubmit it first before you can make any changes to that file. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask your child's teacher or to email me at